Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will deliver a lesson for class 12th subject zoology. Since you have already studied about principles of inheritance and variations, now today we will discuss about an important subheading of that related to that chapter, that is the sex determination in organisms. Now, sex determination is a method by which distinction between male and female organisms is established in a species. And sex determination is usually under genetic control of specific chromosomes called as sex chromosomes or allosomes. Now, these sex chromosomes were first discovered by Henking in 1891 while working on the gametogenesis in insects. Now we already know that every organism has a definite number of chromosomes, and if for instance in human beings there are 46 chromosomes. Among these 46 chromosomes, 44 chromosomes are autosomes, while as 2 chromosomes are known as allosomes or sex chromosomes, which are related to the sex determination and reproduction. Now these sex chromosomes, in case of males, they are XY, dissimilar type of chromosomes XY, and in females they have similar type of these sex chromosomes as XX. Thus we see that, or we can understand that, males are capable of producing heterogametes during spermatogenesis. Different types of sperms are produced, as one sperm contains the X chromosome, or another sperm can carry Y chromosome. But in case of females, all the eggs carry the similar type of sex chromosome, that is X chromosome. Now, two important factors which actually determine the sex of the offspring depends upon the male heterogamety and female heterogamety, because sometimes only males are capable of producing heterogametes during gametogenesis, but in many organisms the females are also able to produce heterogametes during this gametogenesis. Now first of all we will discuss about the male heterogamety, which is seen in animals like Drosophila, and also as well as in human beings. In human beings, the male heterogamety is XX and XY type. XX and XY type. That is, the males produce two heterogametes X and Y, while as females produce similar gametes X and X. And upon fertilization, the chances of producing a male or female baby is 50%, but is determined. The sex determination is controlled by the parent that produces different types of gametes, which is obviously the male parent in case of human beings as well as in Drosophila. Another method of male heterogamety is known as XX-XO type, in which the males produce the sex chromosome of males are represented as X and O, while as the females sex chromosomes are represented as X and X. X and O means that one of these sex chromosomes, one of these gametes has no sex chromosome, which is represented by O. So males are capable of producing heterogametes, which actually determine the sex of the offspring. This type of sex determination is seen in insects like grasshopper, cockroach, as well as in roundworms. males. Now we will discuss about the female heterogamety, because in some organisms it is the female which is capable of producing the heterogametes and is responsible for the sex determination. Among these female heterogamety, the one method is ZZZW and another method is ZZ and ZZO. Here in fact this XX is replaced by ZZ so that any confusion may not occur while studying. This ZZ and ZW type of female heterogamety is seen in animals like birds and some reptiles, while as this ZZ and ZO type of sex determination, which actually results from the female heterogamety, is seen in butterflies and moths. Thus, we see in all these cases the sex determination is controlled by the parent that produces different types of gametes, that is heterogamety. This heterogamety we saw is of two types, the male heterogamety and female heterogamety. The male heterogamety is represented by XX and XY type, and second type is XX and XO type, third is ZZ and ZW type, and lastly we see the ZZ and ZO type, which is seen in butterflies and moths. Now this is all about today for sex determination. In our next topic we will discuss about the haplodiploidy or parthenogenesis and sex determination in humans. Thank you.